I would really like to begin with gratitude, and I would like to acknowledge the following people. First, I would like to thank our mission partners for tonight's event. We have Leif Cabrazier, and we have Paul Weiss. Would also like to thank the chair of our Thurgood Marshall Selection Committee, Richard Pena. You're good at this. It took our section a couple tries to get this, so you guys are good. I'd also like to recognize the chair of the Thurgood Marshall Dinner Committee, John McDonnell. All right, it was more than a clap, but he does deserve it. I'm so grateful to our CRSJ Leadership Council for all their work this year. Of course, we couldn't have accomplished much without our committee leaders. I consider our committees the backbone of this section. So for our committee leaders, and of course, our section members. Tonight, we celebrate a heroic woman, Sherrilyn Ifill. She really deserves endless applause. She doesn't need the one clap, yeah. And we'll hear opening remarks from another intrepid woman who deserves more than one clap as well, Elaine Jones. Mary Baker Eddy, another woman trailblazer from the 19th century, who founded a church and an international daily newspaper when women didn't even have the right to vote, said, "To speak the truth to every form of error." I feel that CRSJ has done just that this year. That deserves clapping. With 47 free webinars, we have corrected misconceptions by answering over 160 student questions on civil rights laws. We have served truth to youth and the general public while providing a channel for correct answers for educators. We've set up a policy implementation initiative to put ABA policy into practice. We, by the way, have our newest lawyer over here. Can we hold up the newest lawyer? She's so cute. She gets one clap. We launched a 21-day practice on combating Islamophobia. We instituted a Native American land acknowledgement at the start of each of our meetings, which I had the privilege to do on Thursday, and we successfully asked the ABA to do the same. You heard President Reggie Turner do that tonight at the General Assembly. We addressed attacks on critical race theory by sponsoring a 4-part series defining CRT and its importance. We're protecting fair elections by setting up our Lawyers as Changemakers initiative to train lawyers on voter protection, which is so needed with the upcoming elections. We produced 3 Human Rights Magazine issues this year, which you can find out in the lobby. We submitted resolutions to the ABA House of Delegates calling for the right approaches to the issues of the day. And of course, we responded to the various issues raised by Dobbs through multiple late-breaking resolutions, you'll hear Monday and Tuesday, and by taking the lead in setting up a pro bono clearinghouse for lawyers willing to represent those affected by the Dobbs decision. You'll be able to see on the slideshow tonight, when it resumes playing, while you enjoy your dinner, more of our section's accomplishments this year. But for a full list, please view our website, the URL to which you can find at the back of your program. It has been my great honor this year to lead the section of Civil Rights and Social Justice as we accomplished these things this year. So I would like to end as I began this evening with gratitude by thanking you all for attending tonight. Your presence indicates your commitment to truth and justice, and I am proud to stand with you.